Good afternoon, everybody. So this is the day that I was waiting for. This is from the grocery store. So I went in, bought boniato or batata or sweet potato, red skin, white flesh, and I grew my own slips and I planted them in here. I hope there's no bugs in here because I'm gonna run. You don't want to get that in camera. Okay, let's see what we can get. Maybe all we get is a lot of roots, but I hope I can get some that I can plant next year. Let's look at one place. Look at one plant. I can use this to plant next year. There's some babies around. Yeah, not bad. They're skinny. And what I want is to be able to grow them next year. Let's keep looking for more treasures. Woohoo! More treasures in here. And they're beautiful. They are so beautiful. They're not big, but they're beautiful and they're tasty. Yee-hee. Another one. Unfortunately, I pinched it and I have to sacrifice. And I have to sacrifice and eat it because you know what I did? But I'm going to cure it and I'm going to eat it. Those are blessings. We're finding them. Finally. And again, it was just 4 plants that I was able to plant in here. You know, thinking, oh, this is not bad. One is good too. So this is probably from the oldest ones. Yeah, so there's opportunity. So this is what we got from the red skin sweet potato on bed. It's not bad. It's we think that I would just wanted to have a couple of sleeps, a couple of sweet potatoes for sleeps for next year. So this is the one that I bought in the grocery store, and I planted, and it gave me sleeps. And I did not plant all this because I didn't have the space, but we have some that are good size, you know, in the big size area. Couple ounces, not couple, but you know, good amount of ounces, and some that are smaller, and some that are the ones that I'm gonna keep for the sleeves next year. Not this one because it's, but some like this. It's not a lot, but I'm really pleased with what I got. Okay, so not bad at all. So one more bit to go. Talk to you next time. Bye.